That's BITE to 64,000.
Now, here's the up-to-the-minute KDKA.
You better not do the amplify thing, KDKA.
Matthews Wall Anchor and Waterproofing. Call 1-800-284-7471. Matthews Wall Anchor.
Cloudy, mild tonight, below 62, and then very warm for
You
tomorrow.
better not do the amplify thing, KDKA.
Couple of showers and a heavy thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening. The high up near 80. Some lingering rain later tomorrow night, low 49. Breezy, cooler Tuesday, high 57. For AccuWeather, I'm John Feerick, 100.1 FM and AM 1020 KDKA.
You are stupid. You know that? Now we gotta wait till 9:30. I'll let it play the amplify thing just in case they decide to pull that one thing again like they did that one time. Yep, we're waiting to 9:30. Curse you, KDKA.
20 minutes later.
Test of the emergency alert system.
About time, KDKA. Look what time you test.
The alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
And the WHC didn't get it, so we'll see what happens. Be the right one. Yep.
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
And there goes the GWES. So I'll count that too. And that concludes our test.